ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to talk about the power of happiness and the wisdom in knowing when to embrace it silently. Happiness is a beautiful thing, but sometimes the best way to appreciate it is through stillness. Let's dive into why we should sometimes keep our joy to ourselves. Happiness is often fleeting. Instead of talking about it, relish the moment. Being present allows you to soak in every detail, every sensation, every heartbeat. Not every happiness needs an audience. Some moments are sacred. Keeping them to ourselves can make them feel even more profound. Sharing happiness can invite skepticism or negativity. By keeping it to yourself, you protect the joy from those who might not understand or appreciate it. Instead of speaking about your happiness, let your actions reflect it. Live in a way that inspires others without needing to explain or justify it. Silence offers a space for reflection. When you're happy, take time to consider why you feel that way. This introspection can deepen your understanding and appreciation of joy. Sometimes happiness doesn't need words, it needs shared experiences. Connect with others through shared smiles or laughter without needing to vocalize every thought. Being happy can sometimes make us feel vulnerable. Embracing that vulnerability quietly can be more powerful than a loud proclamation of joy. When you carry your happiness quietly, it can create ripples. Others notice your joy and are inspired to find their own, without you having to say a word. Imagine being fully immersed in a moment, where every second feels alive and vibrant. When we talk about the power of presence, we're diving into the heart of what it means to truly experience happiness. It's about putting aside distractions and simply being there, feeling every emotion, every sensation. Think about those moments when you're surrounded by loved ones, laughter ringing in the air, or when you achieve something you've worked hard for. In those times, it's not just about the joy itself, it's about letting that joy wash over you. You might notice the way the sunlight dances through the leaves or how the sound of laughter feels like music to your ears. Being present allows you to appreciate the small details that often slip away when our minds are racing or our phones are buzzing. It's a conscious choice to engage with the now, to savor each experience without rushing to share it or analyze it. This is where the magic happens, when you're not just existing, but truly living, breathing in every bit of happiness that comes your way. When we embrace presence, we deepen our connection to ourselves and to those around us. We allow our joy to flourish without the need for validation or commentary. It's a profound reminder that sometimes the best way to celebrate happiness is to simply let it be unfiltered and pure. That's where we find real strength, in those quiet moments of clarity and bliss. So let's commit to being present, cherishing those flashes of joy that remind us why we're here in the first place. Joy is a deeply personal journey unique to each of us. It's not a one-size-fits-all experience. What brings happiness to one person might not resonate with another, and that's perfectly okay. When we understand that joy is personal, we empower ourselves to embrace our individual paths without comparison or pressure. Think about the times you felt that spark of happiness. Maybe it was a quiet moment spent with a book that transported you to another world, or perhaps it was the exhilaration of pursuing a passion that sets your soul on fire. These moments are ours to cherish, not to measure against someone else's happiness. Each person carries their own story, their own struggles, and their own triumphs. Recognizing that joy is personal encourages us to explore what truly makes us happy. It invites us to seek out those experiences that resonate with our hearts and align with our values. Whether it's spending time in nature, creating art, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee in peace, these moments are treasures that deserve our full attention. When we honor our personal joy, we also give ourselves permission to feel deeply. It's about understanding that happiness doesn't need to be loud or shared to be valid. Sometimes the most profound joy lies in those quiet, intimate moments that shape who we are. So let's embrace our unique sources of happiness. Let's celebrate what makes us feel alive and fulfilled, recognizing that our joy is our own to define. By doing so, we not only nurture our spirit, but also inspire others to explore their own paths to happiness. In the end, it's our individual journeys that create a richer tapestry of life, woven together with threads of diverse experiences and emotions. Guarding your joy is one of the most powerful acts of self-care you can undertake. In a world that often challenges our happiness, it becomes essential to protect those moments of light. When you find something that brings you true joy, it's like discovering a precious gem. You wouldn't leave it unguarded, you would shield it from the noise and negativity that surrounds us. Sometimes sharing our happiness can invite doubt or criticism. People may not understand the depth of what makes you smile, and that can lead to unwanted opinions or even skepticism. By guarding your joy, you're choosing to keep it sacred, allowing it to flourish without the weight of others' expectations. Think about the moments that make your heart soar, those experiences that fill you with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. It's crucial to create boundaries around those moments to protect them from anything that could dampen their brilliance. This doesn't mean you shut others out, rather, it's about being selective with whom you share your joy. Surround yourself with people who uplift and celebrate your happiness, not those who question or undermine it. Also, guarding your joy means recognizing when to step back. Sometimes it's necessary to take a break from the chaos, whether that's social media, certain relationships, or even busy environments. It's in those quieter spaces that you can reconnect with what truly makes you happy and allow it to grow. In essence, guarding your joy is about valuing your happiness enough to protect it fiercely. It's a reminder that you deserve to bask in those beautiful moments without fear or hesitation. So stand firm in your joy, nurture it, and let it be a guiding light. Because when you guard your happiness, you not only enrich your own life, but also create a powerful ripple effect that encourages others to cherish their own joy. Inspiration through action is a powerful philosophy that transcends mere words. It's about embodying your joy and letting it shine through everything you do. When you're truly happy, it's not just a feeling, it's a call to action. It invites you to move, to create, to connect. Think about it when you're inspired. You don't just want to talk about your joy, you want to live it. Whether it's pursuing a passion, lending a hand to someone in need, or simply being there for a friend, your actions become a reflection of that happiness. It's a way of showing the world what fulfillment looks like, not just telling them about it. When you approach life with this mindset, you become a living example of what it means to find joy. Your enthusiasm is contagious. It inspires those around you to seek their own happiness, to take risks, and to step into their own light. You might not even realize the impact you have until you see others responding to your energy, catching that spark and lighting their own fires of joy. It's also about being authentic. Your actions should resonate with who you truly are. When you align your choices with your values and passions, you send a clear message: happiness is not a destination, it's a way of living. This authenticity draws people in and creates genuine connections built on mutual respect and shared experiences. Inspiration through action encourages us to be proactive. It's a reminder that we have the power to shape our realities. Every small step, every decision contributes to a larger tapestry of joy. So when you feel that spark of happiness, let it drive you. Get involved in your community, pursue your dreams relentlessly, or simply take a moment to appreciate the beauty around you. In doing so, you not only honor your own joy, but also pave the way for others to find theirs. It's a cycle of positivity, one that begins with you. So let your actions speak louder than your words, and let your joy radiate in everything you do. Reflection is a powerful tool that allows us to truly appreciate the beauty of our experiences. In the rush of everyday life, it's easy to let moments of joy slip away without fully recognizing their significance. Taking the time to pause and reflect gives us the opportunity to dive deeper into our emotions, to understand what makes us happy and why. When you engage in reflection, you create a space to connect with your inner self. It's in those quiet moments of contemplation that we can unpack our feelings, exploring the layers of joy that sometimes get overshadowed by the noise of life. Think about those times when you felt truly happy. What led to those feelings? What were the circumstances, the people involved, or the choices you made? Reflecting on these moments can provide valuable insights that help you cultivate more joy in your life. Moreover, reflection allows us to recognize the growth that comes from our experiences. Sometimes happiness doesn't just come from the good times, it also arises from overcoming challenges. By looking back on how we navigated difficult situations, we can see how resilience and strength have shaped our journey. Each moment of joy is often built on a foundation of struggle, and acknowledging that can deepen our appreciation for the happiness we experience. This process of reflection can also guide us in our future choices. When we understand what brings us joy, we're better equipped to seek out those experiences again. It's like creating a personal roadmap, highlighting the paths that lead to fulfillment and steering us away from those that don't. Let's not underestimate the beauty of taking a moment for ourselves. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle, But when we step back and reflect, we honor our journey. We give ourselves permission to celebrate not just the big victories, but also the small, everyday moments that fill our hearts with joy. In the end, reflection isn't just about looking back, it's about moving forward with intention. It helps us recognize the threads of happiness woven into our lives, encouraging us to embrace each moment fully and mindfully. So take the time to reflect, to appreciate the beauty within your own story, and let that insight guide you toward even greater joy ahead. Authentic connection is the heartbeat of human experience. It's about forging bonds that go deeper than surface-level interactions, creating relationships rooted in genuine understanding and empathy. When we seek authenticity, we open ourselves to a richness of experience that can transform our lives. Think about the moments that truly matter, the conversations that linger long after they end, the shared laughter that echoes in our minds, the tears shed in times of vulnerability. These connections thrive when we allow ourselves to be real, to show our true selves without fear of judgment. It's in that vulnerability that we find strength and build trust. When you connect authentically with others, you create a safe space where everyone can express their thoughts and feelings openly. This environment fosters a sense of belonging, reminding us that we're not alone in our struggles or joys. It encourages us to share our happiness without hesitation, knowing that there's someone there who genuinely cares and understands. Moreover, authentic connection encourages us to listen actively. It's not just about sharing our own stories, it's about being present for others as they share theirs. When we truly listen, we validate their experiences and feelings, creating a reciprocal bond that enriches both parties. This mutual exchange transforms simple interactions into profound connections, where joy is shared and amplified. In a world that can often feel isolating, cultivating these authentic connections can be a lifeline. They remind us of our shared humanity, of the common threads that unite us. It's these connections that allow us to celebrate our joys together, to lift each other up, and to inspire one another. So let's strive for authenticity in our relationships. Be open, be real, and be willing to share both your light and your shadows. When you do, you not only deepen your own happiness, but also create a ripple effect that encourages others to step into their truth. It's in these authentic connections that we find the true essence of joy, interwoven with understanding, support, and love. Vulnerability and silence is a profound strength that many overlook. In a world that often values loud expressions of emotion, there's a unique power in the quiet moments where we allow ourselves to feel deeply without the need to articulate every thought. It's in those spaces of stillness that we connect with our true selves, embracing our emotions without the pressure to perform or explain. When you sit in silence with your feelings, you create a sanctuary for introspection. It's a moment to confront the layers of your joy, your fears, and your hopes. This vulnerability is not a weakness, it's a courageous act of self-acceptance. By being open to your emotions, you give yourself permission to experience life fully, without the fear of judgment or misunderstanding. Think about the times you felt overwhelmed with happiness or gratitude. Instead of rushing to share those feelings with the world, taking a moment to simply sit with them allows you to absorb their depth. You can relish the warmth of those emotions, letting them wash over you, becoming part of your very being. It's in this silence that you can truly appreciate what joy feels like, free from the constraints of needing to articulate it. This vulnerability also fosters resilience. By acknowledging your emotions, whether they're joyful or challenging, you build a deeper understanding of yourself. You learn to navigate life's complexities with grace, recognizing that silence can be a powerful ally. In those quiet moments, you develop a clarity that often eludes us in the chaos of daily life. Moreover, vulnerability and silence can enhance our connections with others. When we allow ourselves to be authentic, even in silence, we invite others to do the same. It creates an atmosphere of safety where emotions can be shared without the need for words. This shared understanding can deepen relationships, allowing for a bond that transcends verbal communication. So let's embrace vulnerability and silence. Allow yourself to feel, to reflect, and to grow in those quiet moments. It's in this space that we find not only our strength, but also the beauty of true connection, both with ourselves and with those around us. Silence doesn't need to be empty, it can be filled with profound understanding and a sense of peace that enriches our lives. The ripple effect is a powerful reminder of how our actions, no matter how small, can create waves of positivity that extend far beyond our immediate circle. When we choose to embrace our joy and let it shine, we set off a chain reaction that can inspire others in ways we might not even realize. Think about the last time you witnessed someone's happiness. Maybe it was a friend celebrating a victory, a stranger helping another in need, or even just someone sharing a genuine smile. That joy doesn't just stop there, it resonates, it spreads. It encourages us to be more kind, to be more present, and to seek out our own moments of happiness. When you live authentically and allow your joy to radiate, you're not just uplifting yourself, you're also lifting those around you. People notice the light you bring into a room, the energy you exude. It's contagious. Your enthusiasm can spark inspiration in someone else, pushing them to pursue their dreams, to embrace their own happiness, or even to lend a helping hand to someone else in need. Moreover, the ripple effect teaches us that our choices matter. Every act of kindness, every moment of joy contributes to a larger tapestry of positivity in the world. It reminds us that even on our toughest days, we have the power to make a difference. One encouraging word, one act of generosity can create a chain reaction that changes someone's life. But it's not just about joy, it's also about resilience. When you share your struggles and how you've overcome them, you offer others hope. You show them that it's okay to be vulnerable and that there's strength in sharing our journeys. This transparency fosters deeper connections and encourages others to be open about their own experiences. So let's be mindful of the ripple effect we create with our actions. Embrace your joy and let it flow freely. Your happiness can inspire someone to find their own. Your kindness can motivate others to act with compassion. And your resilience can encourage others to keep going when times get tough. In this interconnected world, we all have the power to create ripples that can reach far beyond what we can see. Each choice we make, each moment we embrace, has the potential to shape the world around us in beautiful, meaningful ways.